I'm gonna lose. We've got to go to the hallway and tell our friends to come get her drunk